Hello and welcome to this tutorial for Markers Command Center version 1.5. The first major new feature is the ability to switch between sequence markers and clip markers. Markers Command Center now fully supports displaying and interacting with clip markers. When you switch from sequence to clip mode, the panel icons automatically change to a distinct red-orange accent, giving you instant visual feedback on which mode is active. Let's start by creating some sequence markers. We'll select our timeline clips and choose to add markers. I can instruct the panel to match the marker names directly to the clip names. We can also enable Match Duration, which tells Markers Command Center to span the new markers to the exact length of our clips. Let's select all and apply it. And there we go. 33 new markers created instantly. This brings us to another great new addition, the Numbers column. You now have a visual index showing exactly how many markers are loaded in your panel. You can also customize your workspace by hiding either the name, comment, or number columns to save space. Let's switch the Numbers column back on. Next up is the new Add Edit at Markers function. Let's clear our timeline by selecting and deleting these markers. Now, I'll generate 25 new markers spaced evenly by 20 frames. With the markers selected, you can simply click the razor icon in the top bar to instantly add timeline edits across your tracks at exactly those marker positions. Let's undo that. The exact same functionality works seamlessly in clip mode too. If we switch to clip mode and select our clips, then select Add Markers to add another 25 clip markers. Let's select these markers. Clicking Add Edit will slice the clips perfectly at the clip marker boundaries. Let's undo that for now. Let's create two sequence markers. We'll rename the first one First Marker. And the second one, Second Marker. To copy-paste markers, you select them, copy them, move the time indicator to where you want to paste them, and then just press Paste. They will then be pasted. Let's clear those out. If you copy sequence markers, you can switch to clip mode. Select a specific clip and paste them to apply them as clip markers. We'll now add two additional markers. Furthermore, markers can be copied and pasted directly between clips. To summarize the functionality, you can copy-paste between sequence markers, from sequence markers to clips, from clips to sequence markers, and between individual clips. The biggest architectural update in version 1.5, other than the new clip mode, is the new AI Assistant prompt. Powered by Google's Gemini 3.5 Flash or OpenAI's ChatGPT, it allows you to automate repetitive logging and timeline operations using natural language. You can use it to execute any of the panel's standard functions, like adding markers, shifting timecodes, slicing tracks, and setting durations. Let's delete current markers and add new markers at selected clips. For example, let's select all our markers and ask the AI to rename them sequentially based on their index number. Within seconds, the AI completely sets the desired names. Let's undo. Then let's look at another highly requested new feature, Batch Frame Export. This allows you to render and export high-quality image frames from your sequence or clip markers directly to your hard drive. You can choose to name the exported files using your marker names. There's also an option to import to project, which tells Marker's Command Center to create a new bin and automatically import all the exported images right back into Premiere Pro. Let's press Export. As you can see, the files are exported flawlessly and instantly organized into a new bin for us. There is something that I don't like with the names. It's taking exactly my clips' names, which were downloaded from Storyblocks. And the names have these strange characters. This 1080, this _D. And I want to send clean, professional names to the client. First of all, I will delete all of these stills. I will delete also the whole MCC bin. Let's use the AI assistant to clean this up. I'll simply type remove.mp4 _D _1080 and meaningless words such as _HXQ96. Let's add for names and press enter. The names now are much better. Now let's say I want to replace the dashes with spaces. Let's go into the AI assistant and type it. I forgot to select all markers, so the modification was applied only to the selected marker. Let's press Ctrl-A to select all markers and try the same prompt again. This leads us to another fantastic feature, which is prompt history. By pressing the up and down arrow keys inside the prompt box, you can recall your previous prompts. Let's press the up button to recall our last prompt and apply it. The panel even saves your last 50 interactions across sessions. Perfect! Now we have clean names ready for export. Let's press Ctrl-A to select all markers. Press Export Frames, use marker names, and export. Now I have the desired professional file names for delivery. Your imagination is the only limit to what the AI assistant can achieve. Let's clear those marker names. Let's select all and set the marker's duration to 0. Select all once again and use randomize colors as a prompt. As you can see, we got exactly what we asked for. Now, as we have multiple markers, you can use color filters to isolate any marker's color. This leads us to another cool feature of MCC 1.5, solo color filters. If you want to isolate just the orange markers, hold the Control key and click the orange color chip. It will instantly solo that color, turning off all other active filters. Hold Control and click the green chip to swap focus. It's incredibly fast for navigating heavily marked timelines. Let's turn off color filters. With AI Assistant, there is unlimited capabilities. Let's use this prompt to change the names as an example. And here you go. Let's undo the last operation. I'll select all markers, change their color to green, then I'll delete all markers except the first and last one. Here's another AI Assistant idea. Create 5 evenly distributed markers between the selected ones. And here you go. Version 1.5 also includes advanced next-generation workflows that are accessible exclusively through the AI chat prompt to keep the interface uncluttered. For example, if you've logged a clip with multiple range markers for different shots, like building, army, and race, you can simply select those clip markers and tell the AI, create subclips. It will parse your markers and automatically generate Premiere Pro subclips directly in your project bin. Here's another incredibly useful AI-only feature: Smart Link Selection. If you have multiple unlinked video and audio clips on your timeline, Premiere Pro doesn't allow you to batch relink them easily if more than 2 items are selected. With Markers Command Center, just select your target video and audio tracks and type Link Selection. The AI validates the timing and perfectly relinks every pair in one swift motion. You can discover even more AI-exclusive commands, like marker type conversion and spreadsheet parsing, in the PDF user guide. All in all, we are incredibly excited about the new possibilities in version 1.5. Get Marker Command Center today at ascripts.com.